Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make quinoa in a rice cooker. First, measure your desired amount of quinoa. It's crucial to rinse quinoa thoroughly before cooking to remove its natural bitter coating, called saponin. Place the quinoa in a fine mesh sieve and rinse it under cold running water for at least 1 minute until the water runs clear. This step ensures a delicious, mild flavor. Next, let's get the water ratio right. For every 1 cup of quinoa, you'll need 2 cups of water. This 2-to-1 ratio ensures perfectly fluffy quinoa. Carefully transfer your rinsed quinoa into the rice cooker pot. Then, add the measured water. You can also add a pinch of salt for extra flavor if you like. Stir gently to combine everything. Now it's time to cook. Close the lid of your rice cooker securely. Select the white rice setting, or simply press cook if your model has a basic function. The cooking time typically ranges from 15 to 20 minutes. Your rice cooker will automatically switch to the warm setting once the quinoa is fully cooked, indicating it's ready. Once the rice cooker switches to warm, resist the urge to open the lid immediately. Let the quinoa rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This resting period allows the steam to redistribute, resulting in a more even texture. After resting, open the lid and gently fluff the quinoa with a fork. It's now ready to serve and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.